Hello students and welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, in this video we will going to solve the question number 3 of exercise 1.6. So let's start with the question with the first part. So our first part is 2 raised to power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to power 1 by 5. So guys, we have to solve this question. So let's solve this. So solution of first question is 2 raised to power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to power 1 by 5. Guys, for solving this question, we have to recall the laws of exponents. From the laws of exponents, we got the law that base same powers add. So that law we have to follow in this question. So by applying base same powers add, we got that 2 raised to power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Okay guys, so because a raised to power m into a raised to power n gives a raised to power m plus n, we have followed this law. So by adding this 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, so we got 2 raised to power, we got LCM as 15, so 3 5s are 15, 5 into 2 it's 10 plus 5 3s are 15 plus 3. So this is our question. So 2 raised to power 13 over 15. So guys, this is the solution of our first part. That is how we can solve this question. So let's move to our next part. So our next part is 1 by 3 raised to power 3 having whole power 7. So let's solve this question. So solution is 1 by 3 raised to power 3 having whole power 7. So guys, in this question we will apply the following law. So to solve this question, we can take this as 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 7 and 1 raised to power 7. So the whole power 7 means that 1 has also having power 7 and 3 raised to power 3 also having power 7. So 1 raised to power 7 gives us 1. But 3 raised to power 3 into 7. In the previous video, I have described the laws of exponents. From the laws of exponents, हमारे पास क्या आएगा? A raised to power m into n gives a raised to power mn. So 3 raised to power 3 into 7. So 3 into 7 will be multiplied. The answer we got is 3 raised to power 21. So this is the solution of second question. Let's move to our third question. So our third question is solution of third question. 11 raised to power 1 by 2 and 11 raised to power 1 by 4. To solve this question from the laws of exponent, we will follow the given law. So हमारे पास क्या आएगा guys? 11 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे जो लॉ अप्लाई किया है, वो लॉ हमने अप्लाई किया है that a raised to power m upon a raised to power n. If base are same and they are in the dividing form, so हमारे पास क्या आएगा? a raised to power m minus n. जो पावर्स हैं वो माइनस हो जाएंगी. तो इस लॉ के अकॉर्डिंग तो मैंने यही फॉलो किया है दैट न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का जो बेस है वो हमारा सेम है. सो अगर बेस सेम है तो पावर्स माइनस हो जाएंगी अगर वो डिवाइड में है. तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा आंसर? 11 raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So the answer we got is, so the LCM हमारे पास जो LCM आएगा वो आएगा 4 LCM आ गया है. 2 2 is 4, 2 into 1 2 minus and 4 divided by 4 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So हमारे पास आ जाएगा 11 raised to power 1 by 4. So guys, this is the solution of third part. I hope you have clear about it. So let's move to our fourth part. So our fourth part is 7 raised to power 1 by 2 into 7 raised to power 1 by 2. So let's move to its solution. So 7 raised to power 1 by 2 into 7 raised to power 1 by 2. For solving this question, so guys, we have same base and also we got same powers. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज, हमारे पास सेम बेस भी है और सेम पावर्स भी हैं, तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे एक्सपोनेंट्स के दो लॉज यहाँ पे फॉलो हो सकते हैं। या तो क्या होता है कि बेस सेम हो या पावर्स ऐड हो जाएं, या पावर सेम हो और बेस जो है वो क्या हो जाए, बेस जो है मल्टीप्लाई हो जाए। तो गाइज अगर हम दोनों ही लॉज अप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास जो आंसर है वो सेम आएगा। तो चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं। तो मैं यहाँ पे एक लॉ अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, दैट बेस सेम पावर जेड, या हमने बेस सेम पावर जेड फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में अप्लाई कर ही लिया है। लेट्स मूव टू दैट पावर सेम देन बेस मल्टीप्लाई। तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, 7 into 7 can be written as in the whole power of 1/2, because the law applies here that a raised to power m into b raised to power m gives us a into b raised to power m. So guys, this is the law we applied here. So हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, 49 raised to power 1/2. Okay guys, 49 raised to power 1/2 आ गया हमारे पास। सो नाउ अगर हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा, 49 कैन बी रिटन एज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 7। सो लेट अस राइट 49 कैन बी रिटन एज स्क्वायर ऑफ 7 एंड 7 का स्क्वायर एंड हैविंग पावर 1/2। तो हमारे पास गाइज अगेन वो लॉ फॉलो हो जाएगा, दैट a रेज टू पावर m इंटू एन गिव्स a रेज टू पावर mn। सो हमारे पास क्या आएगा, 7 रेज टू पावर 2 into 1/2. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. The answer we got is 7 raised to power 1. That means the answer is 7. So this is the solution of question number 4. So guys, I hope that you like the video. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you can ask in the comment section. I will try my best to clear the doubts. So please share this video and kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.